Looks good so far. Can you just make a few changes here? So anyway, you get the yellow text, or the yellow here. Just change it to that green color, or the green of the button there. So just make changes there. Can we underline the value? That can we underline $5,987? Can you align all that to the left maybe? Just don't like how it's all centered like that. It just looks a bit off how it's all on different lines. So if you can just align that maybe to the left. Again, yeah, change the colors of these. This here, can we change this headline to, maybe just change it to the tax minimization masterclass. So the tax minimization masterclass. So just replace that with that tax minimization masterclass there. Can these be left side by side, these sections, rather than on top of each other? So one on the left, one on the right. You need to just put a bit of a line break in there or something, just to so that's not on its own line. Actually, maybe that first line there, make that a headline. So that the ATO recently stated that 48 mega rich paid no tax in 2014-15, not even Medicare levy. Make that the headline. Make sure it's not cut off by that blue bit there. And then just give a space there. New line break for that. New line break there. New line break for this section. New paragraph or line break there. New line break there. Line break, line break, line break that. So just put line spaces in between each sentence or each mini paragraph. Just so it's all bunched, doesn't look very nice. How do I register? Change this section. So change this to register now. Discover the tax minimization strategies reserved for the mega rich, which I think is up here. Yeah. So register now. Discover the tax minimization strategies reserved for the mega rich. Cool. So just make those few little changes. These buttons here don't work. So just change these actually to what's on the other one. I think it's yep, so register now free. So register now. So then that should just bring up the pop-up. The second one can be event details. Event details should scroll down. Actually, this one doesn't either. So you got to change it for this page too. But event details, and then that should scroll down to this section here. So it should scroll to here. And then the third one is win 5K for your mortgage. See, that scrolls. So then that should scroll to the same spot. So fix up these buttons here as well. So just that event details doesn't work. So add those in up there. Otherwise, looking good, and we should be good to go. Thanks, mate.